shampoo. Can you see it? Get close to finish your mission. Good find, pup. Let's bring it to Katie. Hooray! Thanks to you, Katie will be able to bathe the pets again. I see a broken lamppost. Keep going, pup! A call from Alex. Patrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! The horn from the train scared Farmer Al's cows. They've run out into town and are wandering around. We need to help Farmer Al. Sky in, cow mouflage. All right, Sky, let's find those cows for Farmer Al. Cow spotted. There's a cow. You found one. You got it. A little more! Whoa! Watch out, Chicoletta! You can do it, pup! Great work, Sky! Farmer Al will be so relieved! You're really good pups.
Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.